Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing um two mystery box unboxings from Peachy Queen. Now I've had one of these since like June, so and the other one I just got this month. So um let's get into June's. I did look at it. I just been holding out because I ordered this other one. I wanted to do them both at the same time. So anyway, this is June's box. I've got the Peachy Queen After Hours eyelashes. I won't be using those. And I've got these brushes. These are really cool. I like that. Can't have too many brushes. And they're so pretty. Definitely gonna be using them. Then I have this Peachy Queen. Is it a matte lipstick? It doesn't say. Oh, it's a gloss. Never tried their glosses before. This is in the shade Logan. Hmm. Then and it's cool that in these mystery boxes they guarantee two palettes. I've seen some girls get three, which they're lucky ducks. But anyway, the first palette I received is No Place Like Home. I love the ruby slippers, they're just so cool. Obviously based on Wizard of Oz. If you've never seen Wizard of Oz, where the hell have you been? It's got a big mirror I will try not to blind you with. And there's that. So pretty. That's just really pretty. Then I have the I'll Be There For You. It's the based on the show Friends. I never watched Friends. Didn't really even think Friends was funny. I know that's probably unpopular opinion, but I didn't find them very funny at all. But anyway, there's that. Same as the little sleeve. It says pivot up here. It's the only thing I know from Friends. Pivot. That's all. That's all I know. There's that there. So pretty. So far, the only thing I won't be keeping is this. And the August box, because it was themed for Halloween. I've got this little bag here with little skulls. I don't know if you can see. There you go. It's cute. Then I have this Peachy Queen Aqua Pots. This is their water activated liner. I don't use liner, so I won't be keeping this. There's the color. It's that's hot pink. Then I have this black beauty blender. I have the Peachy Queen eyelashes in the style Beauty Charmer. I won't be keeping these either. I just don't do eyelashes or eyeliner, so. Stupid cough. Okay. Then we have the We're All Mad Here. This is their newest release, which I'm surprised they included in the mystery box. But that's really cool, based on Alice in Wonderland. So let's open that up and look at it. Hold, please. Okay. There's the We're All Mad Here. Sorry about the ring light. There's the mirror. Sorry, I didn't mean to blind you. Oh, that's pretty. That is so pretty. And the last thing I got is a palette I already received, well, already purchased. It is the Destiny palette. So if you guys have been watching thus far, I'm doing a secret giveaway, and you'll be entered to win the Destiny palette, the 2 eyelashes, and the aqua pot. Now all I have to do is comment Peachy in the comments below, and in about a week I will announce the winner. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Click that bell if you like more notifications from me. Subscribe if you have not already, and give us a thumbs up if you like haul videos. So anyway, good luck, you guys, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye for now.